Gary Jr. on the outside. He's doing battle with Terry Hart, the 44H. Hart edges out. Running through the number 11, Al Johnson. Scott Gary Jr. trying to find room on the outside. He'll pull ahead at least temporarily. Doing battle with Terry Hart, now running second. Scott Gary Jr. takes the lead. Running third now is the 32 car of Chris Garrett. Garrett staying right in there as well. We'll get too far away yet. Battle between Terry Hart and the 44H and Scott Gary Jr. in the second run for the lead. Followed by Chris Garrett in 42. We're in the 87 car and Garrett Ryan's going into zero. Back and forth to go between Terry Hart and Scott Gary Jr. Scott Gary Jr. on the right. Terry Hart not moving. Trying to let him get by at all. So we continue the battle. Scott Gary Jr. Jumping in on the first spot, Al Johnson. Chris Garrett in the 32. Back and forth. This is going to be a battle for the lead. As it does not look like they have changed formation one bit, really, from the start of this one. They were pretty tight together. And they're going to